You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words, two verbs in the simple past or the past tense. If you want to learn more English pronunciation, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more for you to learn much more at the end of this video. The top word here is the past tense of the verb to buy, as in buying goods at the supermarket, for example. It's pronounced as bought. Bought. As in, I bought some groceries yesterday. Bought. The bottom word is the past tense of the verb bring, and it's pronounced very similarly as brought. So it's the exact same sound, but you do have an R sound after the B. Top word bought, to buy, bought. Bottom word to bring, brought. Bought, brought. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. I hope it was, and I'll see you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.